The morning sun bathes Green Valley Village in a golden light, waking the peaceful landscape. Adam, a kind-faced boy, steps out to greet the day, his loyal dog Buddy wagging with anticipation. Villagers stir, their daily routines unfolding in harmony with the flowing stream and gentle breeze. At the forest's edge, Adam, Buddy, Thunder, and Daisy cautiously face the night, whispers of a lion lingering in the air. They find Leo, a large lion with an injured leg, his imposing figure softened by visible pain. With gentle resolve, Adam steps forward, offering solace to the injured beast. "Don't worry, I will help you." Adam and Leo stand at the forest's edge, overlooking Green Valley, now a symbol of harmony and peace. The villagers watch in awe as Leo, fully healed, stands protectively, a beacon of hope restored. Buddy barks, Thunder stands tall, and Daisy grazes, all thriving in this newfound sanctuary.